program came after some discussions with Dean Paulo about the connection between the real world and the academic world. What a futurist does is they absorb information, they analyze the information, and they think about potential outcomes. We should all be futurists. And now we have more information than ever. And in fact, anyone who uses ChatGPT is using a futurist, because the entirety of the architecture of any large language model is, in fact, prediction of the future.
The early adopters of quantum computers are going to be the ones who really take the time to understand the use cases, understand the math behind it, and how quantum computers can help them solve their problems for their business. These technologies will hit a lot of different industries, even if you don't think they will. So my advice to students or anyone who's looking to advance their career is to do some research on what are the capabilities of the systems, the scale of the systems, or whatever that need to be available to realize those use cases. Then you can start to create a roadmap for how quantum computing or robotics or AI can impact your industry and give you a competitive advantage.
The same algorithm that can predict words in generative AI can predict actions with a little bit of tweak. This advent of physical AI is going to be the largest industry in the world. Everybody should get ahead of applied AI. Otherwise you'll be left behind. Using ChatGPT is part of applied AI. Being able to use AI tools, right? Being able to advance your work using AI tools. There are a lot of things out there.
Everyone is exploring AI right now. It's the topic of the year. Of course, it's transformational. There's a lot of experimentation, but not a lot of value being created. All of our clients are wrestling with where's the right way to apply it, right place to apply it, how to apply it, and how to use it. Getting to know an industry and the context of an industry and the challenges of an industry is a good way to make yourself relevant in any environment. And so, to me, anchor yourself in an industry, figure out an industry that you can get very familiar with, because then you can figure out how all of these different technologies can help you improve.
This cohort of students that's graduating right now will be expected to be fluent in AI as it enters the workforce. How does that impact me, and what do I do to stay ahead of that? If that's the takeaway that people walk away with, I'll feel really good.